Today I will introduce the Nema8 stepper motors. It has two lanes, 28 and 38 mm, and the torque is 0.14 and 0.2 kgcm. Now let's measure the torque of this motor, such as 38 mm. Connect the power wire and motor wire. The power supply current is adjusted to the same as the motor current. The torque is 0.6 kgcm. Finally, let's get the controller, driver, motor, and power supply ready to test the motor operation. Check the wiring: motor wire, power wire, control wire. Open the power. The voltage is 12 volts. The motor starts to run. Acceleration, deceleration. Adjust the direction. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you next time.